welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make homemade fish food. As you can see, this started out as making blood and bone meal for my flowers that I'm growing for my bucket garden. And now I got maggots. And I got a whole bunch of koi that you guys have seen already. If you haven't, you ought to check out some of the other videos. So, with that being said, this is an organic way to grow your fish food. I mean, all that is old fish and watermelon rind and some other stuff. And as you can see, it's maggots. I live on 10 acres, so the smell is kind of putrid to some. To me, it don't really bother me because it's a smell of money to me. It's something I don't have to buy. And this is an old pond. Well, it's a new pond, but I've had it sitting around my yard, so that's what I'm using it for. Using it to let it saturate and ferment. That way I can dump it in my plants. And now I'm growing maggots. Free. And I'm filling it up because it needs more water. See what else I can. Nope. I'll stick in there, see if it'll reach. Oh yeah, it'll reach in there. But anyway, but that's what you do. You start out in a bucket though. These were in a bucket originally. I had them in a green bucket that was about half full, so all the stuff was floating. You know, pretty easy. Thanks for stopping by.